Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Previously, I was showing you that there is a very big buying signal appeared on the weekly time frame, but right now on the short term, there is a bearish move Stellar is showing. And in today's video, I want to show you what the price line can do next and what can be our next target. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to show you this weekly time frame chart, and I was showing you in my last video that the price line broke out the resistance of 35 cents and it was being accumulated above this level. And at the same time, on this long term time frame, we have also received a very big buying signal, that is a bull cross between exponential moving average 10 and 21. You can see that right now this blue line is crossing up this red line. This blue line is EMA 10 and this red line is exponential moving average 21. And when we received this signal last time here on the same weekly time frame chart, we received the signal here on 16th of November 2020. Then price line after this signal rallied more than 800%, and right now we are just receiving this signal. This line, this blue line, is crossing up this red line. Now after this bull cross, these both exponential moving averages can work as a very strong and long-term support for the price action. Now let's move to the daily time frame. Recently we have seen that the price line formed this bull flag. This was a down channel, this was the resistance, and this was the support of the channel, and this was the pole of the flag, and this was a perfect bull flag. If I again place the Fibonacci tool from this low to this high of this flag at the pole of the flag, then we can see that the price line retraced exactly at 0.382 and moved up, broke out the resistance of the bull flag. And our next target for this bull flag is approximately 46 cents. That is the length of this pole, and if I place it here at the breakout point, then you can see our next target is approximately at 46 cents. And I also showed you that the price line also broke out the simple moving average 200 on the daily time frame, and it was being accumulated above this 200 simple moving average, and I told you that it can work as a nice support. But right now you can see while retesting, the price line is moving down, and at the moment it is slightly being traded below this level of 200 simple moving average. But at the same time, the price line has also formed an up channel as well, and this is the support of the newly formed up channel, and this is the resistance of this new channel. So it is possible that the price line will test this support and it will be moved above this simple moving average 200 again, and it will again hit the resistance. For example, if the price line will hit the resistance, our target the resistance can be approximately at 41 cents. It depends where it will hit the resistance. It is also possible that it will have some accumulation above this support of the channel, and after some movement at the support it will be moved up. And for example, if it will hit here, then it can be more than 43 or maybe more than that. However, our targets for this bull flag are remain same, that is approximately at 46 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.